Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes. This video will guide you on how you can quickly install and work with Ultimate Store Kit add-on for Elementor. First of all, you can visit the plugins tab on WordPress.org and search for Ultimate Store Kit using the search option. You'll find it on top. Click on it and enter the plugin page. And then click on the download button and a zip file of the plugin will be downloaded on your local drive. Then go to your website and access the WordPress dashboard. Now click on the Add New option under the Plugins tab. Then click on the Upload Plugin button from the top and next click on the Choose File button. Now click on the Ultimate Store Kit zip file on your local drive and open it. Then press the Install Now button. Once installed, go ahead and activate the plugin. Now you can see the plugin listed inside the plugins dashboard. If you do not have Elementor installed, it will ask you to install Elementor now in order to the Ultimate Store Kit plugin to work. Just click on the install button and then activate Elementor. At this point, both Elementor and Ultimate Store Kit plugins will be visible on your dashboard. As this is a plugin for online stores, you need at least one e-commerce plugin installed on your website. Now please install one. For example, WooCommerce. Then go ahead and create a new page to test it out. Open the page in Elementor and create a section. Now scroll down on the widget menu and find all Ultimate Store Kit widgets there. You can drag anyone inside and start working with it. That's all. Enjoy using Ultimate Store Kit to design your e-commerce websites.